To set a modified conversation as priority on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap advanced setting. Tap conversation. Under modified conversation section, tap the conversation you like to set as priority and then select priority. By doing this, your phone will mark the selected conversation as priority, which means if you set your phone to sort notification by priority, all priority conversation will always be displayed on top of the notification list in the notification panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.